Thank you for checking in. Pete Hofstra here with an update on the CI North American Dividend Fund, and we're reflecting on the first quarter of 2020. A period of time we will probably always remember as much as we might want to try and forget. And the quarter started out with some promise. After the strong returns of 2019, we continued to move higher through early 2020, despite some news in the energy market of escalating tensions between Iran and the U.S., a breakdown of talks between Russia and Saudi Arabia on the supply of oil. We actually sold all our energy positions when news of the breakdown of talks and potential price war were going to impact the energy market. But ultimately, all that paled to the spread of COVID-19, which became a global pandemic and led to a coordinated response involving social distancing to try to slow the spread to help manage our healthcare capacity. But that led to an economic shutdown, creating tremendous uncertainty, resulting in historically high market volatility, steepness of declines. We had some of the biggest one-day increases in market history, so an absolutely incredible period. Our performance was a challenging time for sure, and being down a little less than the benchmark, there's no joy in being down double digits. But I think the point is we were extremely active during the quarter. We were a little defensive early on when prices were moving higher, but we were no longer positioned defensively. We still have some dry powder, but we saw some great opportunities to buy things like a Rockwell Automation, a fantastic industrial name that will really benefit from onshoring, and Amazon.com. Abbott Laboratories. So there was a number of new positions introduced. Some of them were strong contributors to performance during the quarter. And some of the things that hurt us, we were buyers. U.S. Foods distributes food to restaurants. We think the market underestimates how much food delivery is part of their business. But we sold to Brookfield Property Partners. They operate retail malls, and that could be a while before that activity comes back. So we're going to continue to monitor things closely. The length of time, the government response, as well as the impact of the economy are all going to be critically important. There's no precedence for this, so we want to continue to monitor it closely, keep the portfolio liquid, and be willing to respond to what the data indicates is the necessary positioning for the portfolio. So thanks again for checking in, and thank you for your support.